Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Carolyn here. Today I'm going to be doing another cash stuffing of my sinking funds. Jumping right in, I'm going to get this cash set up. And I did not mean to set it up this way, but that's not a problem. 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, $470. I have a lot of 20s today because I went to the ATM. The line at my bank was like ridiculously long, so I went to the ATM and I made change in a few of my envelopes. So hopefully my denominations are right, and yeah, I got a lot of 20s, that's all. My cash envelope, oh my goodness guys, speaking of cash envelopes, I went to Sam's Club last night, and again, I don't purchase food or groceries, but I have been putting money to the side in case I needed extra cash. So I had my extra in my envelope, in my household envelope, and my fiance budgeted $275 for us to go and get the things that we needed. I spent $430. Yes, I spent that much money. I couldn't believe it. We did need a lot of things. Like, we didn't have any of the bulkier items that we like to keep in our deep freezer. I needed to get meats. I needed to get like fast things for my children when they come home from school. And I haven't really been to Sam's Club in a while because prices have, shot up so high. But oh my gosh, I was not expecting my bill to be $430. But it was a good thing that I had the extra cash in my cash envelope. I didn't use cash. We used my fiance's card, his debit card. So I'll have to put the money back. I have the money in my envelope. I don't have to put it back, but I'm going to. I don't have much change. I just have like 76 cents. This is the money that's going to go back to, I hope I'm in frame. This is going to go back to the bank. This is the money from my cash envelopes. And I'm going to just take my 5s and 1s out. And I have personal cash left, which I'm not going to count. I think it's like 50 bucks in there. But I'll count that next week when I replenish. $15 and 5s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1s. One moment guys. All right, I'm back here. Someone was playing music really loud. I have the $15 in 5s and I have 9 1s. So we're just gonna sit that in here. And by next week, if I have any more 5s, I'll go ahead and I'll add that to my 100 envelope challenge if I can make it make sense. And if not, I'll just leave it until I can have enough to go into one of the envelopes. All right. Jumping right in here. Don't need, this is my, I guess my bills binder. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm not gonna be stuffing that. That is already for next month. Let me make sure everything is in frame. 1 second. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, Marcus is getting 20. So it's Mother's Day weekend. Do you guys have any plans with your family or anything? I told my family I just kind of wanted quiet time, a little bit of time to myself. We've been going through a lot of personal family issues, and I could use a break. So that's pretty much what I plan on doing tomorrow. It's Saturday now. Tomorrow I plan on just like maybe sleeping in. I did get to sleep in a little bit today as well, which was really, really nice. I didn't get up until about 9 a.m. and I usually am up around 4:30, 5 o'clock. So that was beautiful. So let me know what you guys are doing for Mother's Day. I'm curious to know how people tend to celebrate different holidays. Marcus has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 20, 5, 30, 230. I'm going to be getting a 5. And I now have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 10, 25, 35, 45, 46, 47. Let me count that one more time. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 147. Marcus Jr., he's going to get a 10. And he took some cash out of his envelope. His school is going to an amusement park for their end of the year trip. And we had to pay for him to participate in that. And then this money will probably go towards spending money. So it's good that I have it. It feels good that I was able to just like go take the money out and give it to him. 50, 70, 90, 110, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3. $133. Makai, he's gonna get a 10 as well. And he has 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, $200 on the dot. Mikhail will be getting a 10. I'll do that in 2 5s. Okay. Mikhail now has 1, 2, 50, 70, 90, 3, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 340. And I took some cash out of his envelope for a pair of Crocs that he wanted. We all got, not all of us. Me and my little kids, we all have got a pair of Crocs. And we went ahead and took out the envelopes. Madeline, she's getting a 10 as well. I've never had a pair of Crocs, but my daughter, I told you guys previously that she really wanted to like have an outfit that matched with an outfit of mine. And so we're on a hunt for the perfect little outfit. And I thought Crocs would be perfect because I always buy them Crocs every year. So I got me some too. So little Miss Madeline has 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 3, 5, 10, 3, 10. Clothes will be getting 40. And we'll be going clothes shopping really soon here. So this is gonna probably get depleted because I have my big kids. And them boys are expensive, okay? Their clothes are expensive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Let me make sure that I have that right. 4, 20, 40, 60, 70, 95, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 530. Next up is the emergency fund. I'm gonna put a 20 in there. I know I don't usually put cash in, but if I have extra cash, I will. And I was also able to make some placeholders. I finally figured it out. It was not too difficult, but it was a lot of trial and error. I wasted a lot of vinyl trying to figure out how to put this inside of the laminating sheet. It just was kind of difficult, and I even have like a little something stuck inside of mine, but it's okay. So this is gonna go inside of my emergency fund envelope, and the next time I do a condensing, I'll go ahead and start utilizing these 500s and get the residual cash and the envelopes to my high yield savings account. So the emergency fund now has $1,020. And I'm just like so obsessed with it because I made it. I was working on this for a while, so I'm very happy. It came out really nice. I can finally start putting my silhouettes to use because I've had it for a while and I've really practiced on it a lot, but now I'm starting to be able to kind of see results on some of the things that I'm working on. Christmas is getting 120. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. One, 2, 3, 4, 55, 50, 70, 90, 6, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 7, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 8, 10, 8, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 8, 54. I haven't decided when I'm gonna like cap this off, but again, I have a family of 6. And 2 of those family members are teenagers, and teenagers are very expensive. They can be anyway. My kids are very grateful for whatever I give them. But for the last few years, we have been very tight on Christmas, and I may want to splurge on a few things. I know I started off saying that I didn't want to do a huge Christmas, which I still may not. We haven't decided what we're gonna do, but I don't know where I'm gonna cap this off at. And it probably does seem excessive. I have some people asking me about it, but this is something that I'm gonna go ahead and put some attention on. My kids deserve a really good Christmas, in my opinion. I know that I am working on getting out of that. I know all of those things, but this is a decision that I'm making to make sure that either we have a great Christmas on Christmas Day, or that we have cash to go on a trip for Christmas next year. So, no, not Christmas next year, but as a Christmas gift for this year, but we won't take it until next year. So we haven't decided what we're gonna do yet, but yeah. I always feel like I'm explaining myself away, so it's so weird to me. I never explain myself, which is a very different feeling for me to have. Gifts has 20 added, 50, 70, 90, 110, 30, 50, 70, 80, 90, 2, 10, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 50, that's wrong. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 180, 190, 210, 25, 160, 170, 31. Senior year is getting a 20. And we now have 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 580. I believe I said 580. If not, I will double check after the video. Snowball is getting 60 bucks. Snowball now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 160 in Snowball for the month of May. Family Fun is getting 25. I need to make an envelope for this. 1, 20, 30, 45. 145 in Family Fun. Alright, and that's it for my sinking fund binder. This is going to need a condensing really soon. It's getting to the point where I can't even close it, which is a good thing. Means that I am saving away. Next up is the 100 envelope challenge, and I'm looking for the 93. I don't know. Where did I put 93? Here it is. 93. It's gonna get a $100 bill. All right. So there's that. And that's gonna do it for me today, guys. Hopefully you stuck around to the end of the video, and if you did and you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you along for the journey. To all of the beautiful mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. I hope you enjoy yourselves. Don't lift a finger if you're not able to anyway, and I hope you get everything you deserve, because mothers rock and we are the glue that holds this crazy world together. So until next time, guys, bye.